Briefly, it's really easy to construct a segment 25% longer than the original. We've already bisected the original, so we proceed to bisect half of the original, which gives us a fourth of the original, or 25%. And then we simply take the original length, which is here, and tack on the additional, and now we have this red segment, which is 25% longer. Now we use a little terminology, or introduce a little terminology. We've increased the length of the original by factor 1.5, or 3/2. Now, factor means we multiply by. So if we say we increase something by a factor of 3/2, we're multiplying by 3/2. And if we increase, if something becomes 25% longer, then it should be clear that we've changed the length by factor 5/4, 1.25 or 5/4. Now, I pose the question, and I comment, we can do 125% longer. We just take the compass, a bigger compass, and set to this length, mark it off, do it again, mark it off. Now we're twice the length, and we add another 25%. In other words, at twice the length, we will have increased the length by 100%, so we need another 25%. And what would the factor be for 125% increase? Okay, what would the factor be? What would we multiply the original length by to make something 125% longer, or 75% longer? Then, question, what length factors can we construct with a compass and straight edge? Now when I say can we construct, I don't always have room to write by compass and straight edge. I won't always say by compass and straight edge, but you should always consider that construction is by compass and straight edge unless we say differently.